In this video, I'll show you how to receive money in Binance Wallet. So let me show you step by step the new method. First step, after you open up your Binance app like this, Binance Wallet. So in your Binance Wallet, now go to Assets. So after you go to Asset in this option, so the next thing to do, now you click on this Receive button. So after you click on the Receive button, so here you have three options. So the first one, you can be able now to receive transfer from Binance Exchange. Let's say you want to receive the money from your Binance Exchanger. So just click on this option now. So after you click on this option, so here it will give you all the current coin that you are holding in your Binance Exchanger. So let's say you want to receive USDT, like the USDT is in your Binance Exchanger, and now you want to just receive it into your Binance wallet. So you just select the USDT like this. After you select the USDT, so the next thing to do, just select the network. After you select the network, go to this continue. So by clicking on the continue, so here it will ask you to type in the amount that you want to receive. So the minimum amount for the USDT is 10. Just type in the amount. Let's say 50. After you type in the amount, just click on this done or this arrow at the bottom. So from there, now if you tap on this transfer, from there it will import the USDT into your Binance wallet. So that's the first method. So let me show you the second method. Now click on this back arrow again, back again. So the second method now to receive money in your Binance wallet. Now here is it now. Receive token B address. So if you click on this token B address, so now all you have to do now go ahead now and select the money that you want to receive. So let's say I want to receive like BNB from someone. I'll just select BNB. After you select the BNB, so here is address. So all you have to do now, just copy the address of the BNB, and the BNB is under this Binance Smart Chain. That's BNB Smart Chain. That's the network. So after you copy now this address, now you can send the address to the person who you want to send, who you want to receive the money from him, and the person will send you BNB through the network, through the address that you gave him. And that is the second method. So the third method now, let me show you the last method. Now click on this back arrow again. So the last method is buy with card. Buy with card. So the next thing to do is you click on this buy with card. So here it will allow you now to use your card and to buy the crypto or to receive the crypto. So the next thing to do now, just select now the network. So you have different network, BNB. Just go ahead now and select the network. For me, I want to use at the same time Binance BSC network. If you want to use Solana, you can just scroll to down and select the Solana. After you select this BNB network, so now here it will give you, as you can see, it says BNB. So click on it. So the next thing to do now, it will take you to a place where it will ask you to use your card and receive the money into your Binance wallet. So that's the option now. So as you can see now, here is the option here. It says Bear, MasterCard or Visa card. So before you can be able now to buy the USDT, to receive any money into your wallet via the card, so you need to have some amount of, like it says here, it says the minimum amount is 0.1. So you need to have some BNB into your wallet before you can be able now to receive the money. Let's say now if you have 0.01 amount of BNB, that's for the charges in your wallet. So you can be able now to buy the BNB via your card. As you can see now, if you input your card in this option, let's say you want to receive the BNB, you want to like receive like 15 amount of 15 USD. So if you just type in the amount that you want to receive in this option, here it says here is the currency. You can click on this option and change the currency. So here there are different currency. So you go ahead now and choose your country currency. So just choose your currency. After you choose your currency, so from there you type in the amount that you want to receive in your currency. Here it will give you the amount that you'll be able to receive. And then if you click on this option now, it will ask you to type in the address of your card, like details of your card, that's MasterCard or Visa card. After you finish adding your details of your card, from there just click on the continue button. After that, it will ask you to verify. After you finish the verification, from there the money will be transferred from your card into your Binance wallet. So that's it, guys, on how to receive money in Binance wallet. These are the three ways. So the first one, you can use your Binance. You can use your Binance. That's it. The first one, you can use your Binance exchanger. The second one, you can use external address, and that one you can use your card to receive the money into your Binance wallet. So that's it, guys. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.